Hello folks, so I just got the camera that I bought from High Point Scientific, and this is basically the CWO ASI 224MC, and I got also the ASI CW or the CWO dew heater. So let's just open this quickly. What it has. There you go. So a couple of things here. So these are the cables needed, and probably this is like a spacer or something. And then this is the actual heater. There you go. So from this I got the cables, and I got also the tie wraps that will be placed around the camera to hold it tightly. Let me just close this out. And let's open up the ASI 224. Okay. So I'm assuming this is the same form factor. Okay, I have it here. Okay, yes, it is at the same form factor from the ASI 120mm and MMS and MM or MC ASI 120, because I already have those cameras. And from here you can see, like, this is the cap, this is the 1 1/4 inch nose piece. Let's put it in there, and I already see the driver, the disc driver there, and then the ST4 cable, and then a USB 3 cable here. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to try it out, and let's see. Thanks for watching.